closets and drawers so cluttered you can't find a thing? Is folding all that laundry enough to make you scream? Me too. Hi, I'm Debbie Barker, and that's why I invented Flipfold, the ultimate laundry folder that can fold any item to the perfect uniform size in just 5 seconds.
It's so easy. Just flip, 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 and fold. In less than 5 seconds, you have a perfect professionally folded shirt. Best of all, it's fun. You can flip fold long sleeve shirts, sweaters, sweatshirts, and even pants to the perfect uniform size with ease. Makes organizing any closet or drawer a breeze. And clothes stay neat and wrinkle-free. The secret is Flipfold's patented ventilated holes that eliminate static cling, giving you a crisp, neat, uniform fold in just seconds. Fold an entire basket of laundry faster than ever before. Just flip, flip, and fold. Perfect neat towels every time. Transform an entire closet from this to this.
Best of all, kids love it because it's so much fun. It folds any size clothes. At last, children's room can be neat and organized.
With Flipfold, I finally feel organized. I can fold towels, sheets, bed linens, anything, and it folds everything perfect every time.
I could never fold my clothes before, but with the Flipfold, I can pack more and my clothes are neat and they're wrinkle-free.
Beware of cheap imitations that create sloppy folds. Only Flipfold has anti-slip feet and the ventilated holes, a must for perfect folds. Designed to last and engineered to perform over 50,000 folds, the Flipfold has been the secret of major department stores for years.
So if you're ready for a rest, put